my name's Daniel Webb. I'm originally from Christchurch, New Zealand. So I did what in New Zealand, which is called a beekeeping apprenticeship. It is informal, but there's also courses that go along with it as well. So I worked for a company that had around 5,000 hives, was 90% Manuka focus. Beekeeping in New Zealand is really quite different to Australia for obvious reasons around weather and stuff, but also in the way that we learn it. So if you are an apprentice beekeeper or someone that's new to the industry, the moment that you walk in, you are required to do a disease course. It is a pass-fail test, and you have to go in and you have to actually sit down. Part of that course, you have to get 100% correct, and that a lot of that is recognising things like Varroa. So thank you for coming to this. It's really, really important that you get to learn to know this stuff. I know a lot of you would have already done your own reading and stuff. Continue to do that. Most of what I cover today will already be in this book. If you don't have a copy of this book, it is should be your Bible for the next couple of years. I still keep my copy with me. I still refer to it sometimes if I'm trying something new. But I'll do my best today to give a broad coverage and cover off some really important points with Varroa.
Can everyone hear it?
Yep.
Is that all good? Okay, cool. Yeah. You feel good to move forward?
Do you want it a bit louder? We've got a mic.
Yeah, a little bit.
Can you speak into the mic?
Some of us are old.
Instead of trying to go back and forth.
Yeah.